Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today our video topic is physical properties of cement. As you can see in the screen, there are four physical properties. One, fineness, two, setting time, three, soundness, and fourth, crushing strength. What is fineness of cement? It is a definition. It is measured in terms of percentage of weight retained after sieving the through 90 micron sieve or by surface of cement in square centimeter per gram of cement. According to IS code specification, weight retained on sieve should not be more than 10%. So what you need to remember here is that number one, fineness can be calculated through sieve analysis. And number two is the percentage of material retained above 90 micro sieve should not be more than 10%. Now let's move forward. Setting time. Setting time of cement. Here you can see a very informative video. Setting time. A period of 30 minutes as minimum setting time for initial setting and a maximum period of 600 meter as a maximum setting time. So here what you learn, there are two time of settings. Number one, 30-minute minimum. Number two, 600 minute. So what is setting time? Setting time of cement start when we mix it with water and ends when cement lose completely its plasticity. Number third one is soundness. Once the concrete has hardened, it is necessary to measure that no volumetric change take place. So after 600 minutes, which we have discussed above, cement turns into hard material. So once cement or concrete turn harden, there should be no volumetric change. Mean to say that there should be no change in volume or change in shape. It must be hard. The cement is said to be unsound if it exhibits volumetric instability after hardening. IS code recommend test with Le Chatelier mold for testing this property. We will discuss this Le Chatelier testing property here in this video. At the end of the test, the indicator of Le Chatelier mold should not expand by more than 10 mm. Crushing strength. What is crushing strength? To measure crushing strength, we make mortar cubes with standard sand and test in compression testing machine. As per the specification of IS code, the minimum strength is 16 Newton per millimeter square after 3 days and 22 Newton per millimeter square after 7 days of curing. So we need to take two values. First value should be after 3 days. Second value should be after 7 days. So after 3 days, what is our required value? It's 16 Newton per meter square. And after 7 days, our crushing strength required value is 22 Newton per millimeter square. So now we discuss how we need to conduct the tests. Number one, soundness test. So this is a typographical mistake. It should not be soundness test. It should be fineness test. we need to find fineness of cement. How we can find? It is conducted by sieve analysis, as we discussed before. So how we can conduct? We take 100 grams of cement and sieve through IS sieve number 9 for 15 minutes and shake the sieves. When we shake the sieve, the cement start moving down. So as we learned before, that the retained weight of cement at 9 sieve should not be more than 10%. So what is meant by 10%? If we take 100 gram of cement, we need to find 10% of 100 grams. Setting time, initial setting time and final setting time are the two important physical properties of cement. Initial settings time, it's a definition of initial setting time. If someone asks from you what is initial settings time, so please tell him that initial setting time is the time taken by the cement from adding of water to the starting of losing its plasticity. So it's a point when we add water in cement and cement start losing its plasticity. Then final setting time is time lapse from adding of water to complete loss of plasticity. What is meant by complete loss? Complete loss mean that cement turns hard. Weakened apparatus is used for finding the setting time. Wicket apparatus consist of a movable rod to which any one of three needles shown in figure. Here is a figure. Okay, this is a needle 1 mm, you can see, and here is a mold. Let me highlight for you. This is a needle and this is a mold, okay, where we put cement for testing. So wicket apparatus consist of a movable rod. This is a movable rod. This is a movable rod, okay, to which any one of three needles shown, I have shown you a needle, is attached. A wicket mold is associated with this apparatus, which is in the form of split cylinder. So before finding initial and final setting time, it is necessary to determine water to be added. For this, 300 gram of cement is mixed with about 30% water and cement paste prepared is filled in the mold which rests on non-porous plate. So, the plunger is attached to the movable rod of wicker apparatus and gently lowered to touch the paste. Then the plunger is allowed to move freely. If the penetration is 5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom of a mold, then cement is having standard consistency. If not, then we need to repeat and we need to change proportion of water. So let me explain with the diagram. Let me open a marker. So this is our mold. Inside it we put our cement paste, and then what we do, this is a rod, this is a front face of this apparatus. So we release the pin. Here you can see this is a pin. We release the pin. This needle start moving freely and it will penetrate into the cylinder where we put our cement paste. So what is the required value? Required value should be penetration of needle up to 5 mm to 7 mm. How we can learn that needle penetrate 5 mm or 7 mm through this scale, which you can see in front view of operators. I hope you understand it. So, what is the amount of cement? It should be 300 gram. It should be 300 gram. Thoroughly mix with 0.85 times the water for standard consistency. So, 0.85 mean 85% of water of this weight. 1 mm square needle is fixed to the rod and gently placed over the paste, then it freely moves. Final setting time, the square needle is placed with annular collar. Experiments continue by allowing the needle to freely move. Soundness test. This test is conducted to find free lime in cement, which is not desirable. Le Chatelier apparatus 1.6 is used for conducting this test. It consists of split brass mold of 30 mm and height 30 mm. On either side of split, there are two indicators, with pointed ends. The end of indicator are 165 mm from the center of mold. Now we can discuss crushing strength. Actually, crushing strength we measure in a way 200 gram of cement is mixed with 600 gram of standard sand, conforming to IS 650-1966. After mixing thoroughly in a dry condition for a minute, distill potable water. The mix is placed in a cube mold of 70, kept on a steel plate and prodded with 25 mm standard steel rod. A hopper is cured. So let me explain you in short. This crushing strength is similar to compressive strength. We need to calculate two values in crushing strength. Number one value is after 3 days. This 3 days, it should be 11.5 mm, and 7 days, not less than 17.5 Newton per millimeter square. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me conclude this video. In this video, we have learned that there are 4 types of physical properties. Number 1 is fineness of cement. Number 2 is sounding of cement. Number 3 is crushing strength of cement. And number 4 is setting time of cement. So, fineness of cement. What is fineness of cement? It is the amount of cement retained on 9 number sieve. Okay, so this weight should not be greater than what? 10% of weight. So we take 100 gram of sample of cement and put it on sieve, and then we shake it for 15 minutes. Okay, and now second part is what we have learned. Second physical property is soundness. So what is soundness? We calculate the value of lime in cement. So third value is setting time. Setting time, this test is conducted in bachelor course of civil engineering. We have apparatus. So these apparatus consist of 3 major components. Number 1 rod, number 2 is needle, and number 3 scale. Scale help us to measure the amount of penetration. So please remember the penetration scale. The penetration value should be between 5 to 7 mm. Okay, and the last one is crushing strength. It's similar to compressive strength. If you like, please subscribe and support so that I can make videos similar to this. Thank you.